Hey guys, today we're comparing 3 of the top Forex CFD brokers, IC Markets, Tickmill, and Pepperstone. First off, we're going to visit each website one by one to explore their strengths and then wrap up with a comparison chart to help you decide which one is the best for you. First up, we have IC Markets. This broker shines with its platforms of variety. It offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and even TradingView. It's a great pick if you love switching platforms or use automated trading. They also offer up to 2,250 instruments from Forex to crypto, giving you tons of trading options. Fees are a bit higher though, with commissions at $3.50 per side on MetaTrader. Next up, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is all about low costs. Commissions are just $3 per side on MetaTrader, and they're perfect for frequent traders. It also offers high leverage up to 1/1000th, and their Tickmill Trader mobile app is a standout for trading on the go. However, it has fewer instruments, only around 200 compared to IC Markets. Finally, we have Pepperstone, which is known for its tight spreads, starting at just 0.09 pips on the Euro USD, which is ideal if you want to keep costs low. It's highly regulated by top authorities like the ACIC and the FCA, and their 24/7 customer service gets amazing reviews. Platform options are solid but less diverse than IC Markets, sticking to MetaTrader and CTrader. I've also prepared a comparison chart we can use to see how these brokers stack up across 5 key areas. When it comes to regulation and safety, Pepperstone takes the lead here. It's regulated by the ACIC in Australia, the FCA in the UK, and SISEC in Europe, and even the DFCA in Dubai. When it comes to fees and spreads, Pepperstone offers the tightest spreads. Tickmill keeps it simple with the $3 per side commissions on MetaTrader, and spreads average 0.1 pips, which is great for cost-conscious traders. For platforms and features, IC Market has the most platform options, and Tickmill offers mobile trading with its Tickmill Trader app. If you're someone who's looking for great customer service, then Pepperstone is the one for you because it offers the best customer service. Finally, for trading conditions, IC Markets dominates with the most amount of instruments, and Pepperstone offers the highest leverage options. Which platform would you use to do your trading? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.